In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use ninjutsu in Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the ninjutsu as all characters or a specific one that might have special effects is simple. I recommend that you go over to the practice mode and you try this a bunch of times so you get comfortable, because it is going to require some strict timing, so practice is key. Now, for all characters, all that you have to do to use ninjutsu in Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm is to press X and then wait for the blue spark. After you see the blue spark, press A. This is going to be universal for all characters and it is going to use the ninjutsu right away. So like I said, press X, wait for the blue spark, and then A really quick in succession. You should see the ninjutsu go off if you've met all the criteria. Now, like I said previously, this is going to apply for all characters. However, some specific characters might have special effects. All that you have to do to see those special effects is to hold A. You can also tap X twice before. This will do an ultimate jutsu, and you can do it 3 times before to do a team ultimate. As long as you press X, wait for the blue spark, and then follow it up with A, you should be able to get the ninjutsu off. Holding A will grant you a special effect if your character meets the requirements and they have a special effect attributed to their ninjutsu, and tapping X twice before is going to do the ultimate ninjutsu or jutsu instead. Tapping it 3 times deploys the team ultimate, and like I said, it's very important that you practice this in the practice mode so you get really comfortable. I hope I was able to help you on how to use ninjutsu in Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.